The create machine data overlay allows you to bring in the tag files from machines either through VisionLink or with new earthwork systems directly from the machine. So if you have a GCS system or your earthwork system that has been set up on your machine, whether it's a dozer, compactor, grader, excavator, you're able to tag in or tap into those tag files. So here's a machine data overlay coverage that I already created. Now you do have to have your external services set up. So under external services, you want to make sure that you've got a machine data service connected and your VisionLink connected, and you're both signed in. So you'll make sure you got your Trimble subscriptions all set up so that you have access to that. To create the machine data overlay, it's going to go to the construction data tab, and you're going to click on create machine data overlay, and you can choose the overlay type. So the first thing you might do is do a coverage just to see where your site is, and then I could bring in maybe just the elevation. And what I want to do here is to bring the elevation in to see to have a surface created or create a surface. So then I would check and choose the type. So maybe I want pass counts or cut fill. In this case, I want elevation. I could do an area where I can create a boundary or create a rectangle. So if I just want to do a particular area, I can draw a polygon here. So what I'm going to do is just say I want just the data that is in this area here. So we'll give it a name here. We'll call it parcel A, and come in here and just draw a polygon because we just want to see the area in here. So I'll apply that. Oops. So we'll close and we'll pick that filter. And you can also then choose the machine. So if I was to come down here and say I want to go to the machines, I could filter on whether I want, the CAT 324 or just the DK DK62 here. So let's say we just want that data. You can filter the date ranges. So maybe I want the current week, last 7 months, project extents, and then you can also choose the elevation type. So if I want just the last pass or the lowest elevation or the highest elevation, I could do that and create different overlays based on different elevation types. So let's do last pass and we'll create that elevation. You'll see that overlay comes in, and what we end up with is basically an image of that overlay. So that creates the overlay, and then from here we can do other things like look at the detailed cell viewer and create a machine data surface. And we'll take a look at those in the following videos.